Hi, I'm Dan Stockdale and welcome to my new YouTube channel. Here you'll find best practice techniques for Excel analysis and modelling. I also have a website in the links below where you'll find models, downloadable content and more details on my training courses. So my background is as a financial, strategic and operational modeller and trainer in consulting. Before that as a commercial analyst in industry and at the very start as a management accountant. So I've worked across the board and I know what's needed and what's not. So I try to keep the content on here pretty focused to what's relevant to you. And by you, I mean accounting and finance professionals, analysts and consultants, and strategy and operations. These are all areas I've worked and know everyone can benefit from good modelling technique. Whether it's a few calculations in a worksheet or a giant workbook, both are models. If you can follow my videos and apply the techniques, then you'll become the Excel MVP in your company, and that brings great value to you. But how do I differentiate myself in a crowded market? I pack my videos with a lot of content and I try to set them in a commercial context. When I demo a function or technique, I try to bring in another function or technique with it that's relevant, because in the real world, they're rarely used in isolation. It shows how they're applied, makes things more interesting, and will help your learning. All my videos and courses use best practice techniques. A lot of content out there doesn't, and that's because they're not widely known. So whether it's using index and match over VLOOKUP, helper cells in modelling, forgetting volatile functions such as offset and indirect, structuring your models correctly, or avoiding VBA wherever possible, that's what you'll find here. Like I say, there's a lot of content, so sometimes I speak quite fast to get through it. I can't stand slow-paced videos. But that's okay. If you miss something, you can just rewind me. I've also put thought into my video thumbnails. Yellow are foundation level, green are intermediate, blue are advanced, and grey are model level. And do read the descriptions below the videos, because they give a bit more context and understanding to what's going on. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the videos, and I'd love to hear your feedback in the comments if you have any. And like every YouTuber asks, please do like and subscribe if they work for you. Keep looking out for new content on here, and I'll also be releasing some online courses in the near future. Thanks for watching.